Hello people, in this video I will briefly go through the three main categories of NoviSign Studio: creatives, playlists, and screens. So let's begin with creatives. Creatives, under this section you are seeing a number of individual slides, and this is where everything begins. Like, you can go to the create from template to start making a slide. If you want to make a brand new slide, you can start from scratch with a blank page. And you can add a bunch of gadgets, you can add text, you can insert images, and so on. But if you want to start with a template, you can choose a template that you have. Let's say you want to edit this one. You can move around images, you can modify the text, and simply publish it and display it on your digital signage. And this should be a lot easier. Up next is the playlist. This is where you can bundle up the individual slides. Go to new playlist, then create, and now you are seeing an empty playlist. To add contents there, click the edit button. You can add multiple slides here, like the number 1 to 4, and to finish it, click update, so that now you can see a new playlist. Finally, let's take a look at the screen section. What you are seeing here are the finalized playlists, and by saying that, it is the playlist here that will eventually be seen on your digital signage. In other words, it is only the playlist here that will eventually be associated with your displays, after which it was named so. To finalize the playlist, click New Screen. Then you can add the desired playlist. To finalize it, click Create. And the new playlist under this section is now ready to be played on your digital signage.